Popular female lawyer Sashakay Fairclough killed in Ocho Rios and their mother battling for life.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Grief has struck the resort town of Ocho Rios in St. Anne with news of the murder of prominent female attorney Sashakay Fairclough and the wounding of her mother while both were inside a vehicle on Friday the 13th of September. Fairclough was an attorney at Murray and Tucker law firm in Ocho Rios up to the time of her death. Police sources said her mother remains hospitalized in critical condition. Reports are that sometime before 6 p.m. on Friday, the two women were traveling in a vehicle when they were approached by gunmen who opened fire, hitting them multiple times. The attorney reportedly died at the scene, while her mother, who was reportedly driving the vehicle at the time of the attack, was hospitalized. According to information on the Murray and Tucker law firm website, Fairclough was a barrister and attorney at law who practiced general civil and criminal litigation, real estate or property law, and commercial litigation.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.